Are we live, Sandhya?
I don't know, but I hope so. Yes, we are.
Okay, good afternoon. This is Manoj Telakat. I'm part of the Bangalore Schools admin group along with our founder Shweta Sharan and co-admin Sandhya Vishwan. Welcome to some announcements that we want to make on the expo. Over to you, Shweta.
So we are very excited to work towards the expo that's happening on the 16th, 17th, and 18th of October. It is the first education expo that is virtual and online. It's called EduWeave, and Manoj is showing you the landing page as we speak. So what's new about this expo is that about all our expos is that we don't just have stalls and schools and admissions. We also have different other things, and the highlight is the fact that we have a lot of contests. So that's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about our contests. So to those who came to our expo in January, you'll know that we had some really exciting contests, including some very interesting events like Educators Speak and the Social Impact Project. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So here's your chance to sign up for these contests, whether you are a parent or a teacher or a student. This is a great opportunity. You can win prizes. You can also win a lot of recognition, because we will be recording these sessions and live streaming. So yeah, later.
So it's a great opportunity for not just schools. It is also a great opportunity for students because as we talk about it, the whole objective of the Bangalore Schools group is to be that single platform where we bring in the five pillars together. And it's schools, it is educators, it is parents, it is students and service providers. And every expo that we are conducting is going to have something for all of them. For example, let's start with the first contest that we have, and this is designed exclusively for students in the age group of 66 to 15 years. And this is called Inspire Talk. And we are very happy to have Orinco Academy as our sponsor for this contest. And we thank wholeheartedly Chetana Kenny and her team for coming up and taking up this contest on our behalf. This is an amazing event. What are we going to talk about? We are going to talk about inspiring stories. And who's going to talk there? The children. What happens is we look at all these big talk shows that happen, and children come up and say, I am a 6-year boy who started coding and I've become the CEO of a company at 8 years old. Great story. Will it be able to inspire a lot of children sitting at home? May not be. But what if a child is given an opportunity to come and say that I adopted a stray dog from the street and I'm taking care of him. I've named him Tiger and I take him for a walk every day. That's something that every child can aspire to do. Or a child who comes and says, I help my dad in cooking. We make amazing dishes on a Sunday. Or I help my mom go out for shopping and I ensure that I take care of her shopping cart. I pay at the counter. These are small things from a perspective of a child or how you look at it, but it can inspire a lot of other children to do these things. Or a child who comes and says, I help my mate's child learn math better. I spend time with them and educate them. So these are inspiring stories what we want to hear, and this is a stage for them to come and talk about this inspiring stories. Let us inspire a lot of other children to follow the small things that they're doing, which can actually make a lot of sense for a lot of people. How do you participate here? Very simple. You just need to come on this page, click on the participate button. But before that, you need to create a small story, even if it is a 500 word, a small Word document or a PDF document. Write it up and ensure that you are uploading it together. Small registration fee to ensure that we get quality participation and ensuring that a lot of people are able to come and participate. So write a story 500 to 1000 words. Even if it is less, it is perfectly fine. We are not looking at what is written there. We are looking at what are you going to talk about. Once that is done, our judging panel will go through all those submissions and they will select the best ones. The best ones get an opportunity to come on the expo venue and present the stories to them. We want to hear as many stories as possible there. We want to inspire as many children as possible there. And that's why this particular event is. Anything from you, Sandhya or Shweta, on Inspire Talk?
We've already had entries coming in, so don't waste time.
Absolutely. So a lot of inquiries, lot of entries are already coming in. Inspire Talk, sponsored by Orinco Academy, is the first contest that we want to talk about. Now we go to Shweta to talk about the social impact project, an idea that came through us and beautifully coordinated by Shweta last time. Over to you, Shweta.
So the social impact project was held first in January during our first expo. It was such a pleasure to see the contest, because what we noticed that there were so many entries, so many schools that are doing a lot of work when it comes to the society and sustainability and projects that are have a social bearing. So we had individuals presenting, we have had school groups presenting, we had a school group talk about everything from waste management to sustainable pens and eco-friendly products. We had individuals talk about mental health, we had individuals talk about so many different things, cyberbullying. So it was great to see how students are really very responsible and also take matters like the society and environment so seriously. It was a real pleasure to see that, and we could see how passionate they were. And I think this is a great form of advocacy, that you can actually come on this platform and talk about it and represent your school or your own beliefs. So this is a great platform for sure, and I'm really excited to see what what happens. And we actually have had people really interested in this contest. We have had many schools inquire as well as to how they can participate. So yeah, so get participating right now, whether you're an individual, you're a group, or a school. This is a great contest to be part of.
Yeah.
Even
just to clarify there, Shweta, the social impact project is for groups. So we are looking at least more than two people to be part of a group. If you're an individual, they go into the Inspire Talk. If you're a group, they come into the social impact project. But what is exciting here is the fact that you just need to be a group of 2 people, or you can be a group of 10 people, or you can be a larger group there. You just need to put that project here, the same process, submit it, get shortlisted, you get a venue where you can come and talk about that project. And that's a great venue, because that way you're going to reach out to not just the 49,500 parents in this group, you're going to get a global audience. These events are going to get streamed live on our Facebook group. These are going live on our YouTube channel. These are going to go live across a lot of other streams also. And that's how you reach out to a larger audience. So that is social impact project for you. From there,
I also wanted to add, the last time for the social impact project, what I found very interesting is there were schools that had multiple entries for projects. So the school as a whole have been doing different projects, is what I understood. Even as to a team of 2 as well as 5 or 6, and there were at least 3 schools that came in with multiple projects, which is quite interesting.
Yes. Let's move on to the Educator Speak, Sandhya's favorite event. Over to you, Sandhya, for the Educator Speak.
Yes. So the Educator Speak is one of our signature contests, and usually educators are the ones that are not showcased at all. And this is the perfect platform for a school to showcase what you have. The expertise of a school lies with their educators. And this is the time where you can showcase this and let the world know that you have the best teachers there. Very easy and simple. The topic this time that we have is exploring the new normal in teaching. All details are there on the website. And get all of you educators, get started on your paper presentation on how to explore the new normal in teaching now. Last time also we did have quite a few entries, and it was a difficult task for the judges to get the finalists of 10, and all 10 of them that were up there um, had, very different perspective on that topic, which was very interesting to watch and see them present on stage. And as Manoj just said, this is going to be streamed out on YouTube and social media. So this is the best way to showcase your talent and the expertise that your school has. So all of you teachers, get ready and start work.
Okay. So
Anything else?
Sandhya, as we discussed, this is another great opportunity for the school also to showcase the quality of teachers that they have, the quality of education that they have, and the quality of people that work in that school. That way, the parents also get to see the teachers, which normally doesn't happen in any other education expo. This showcases the quality. So I would urge schools to actually volunteer more teachers to participate. The more teachers that are on stage definitely talks about the quality of education that you are imparting for your children. So get ready for this. The same process. Have a small write-up which is made, which is a paper that you need to make and submit it. The last date of submission initially was recommended as 25th of September, but considering where we are now, we've moved it to the 30th of September. So you have another good 5 days to or 4 days to go ahead and submit it. So don't delay. Please submit your papers at the earliest. Let's move to the two other contests. Now, I want to talk first about the family quiz. Now, this is a fun contest. Last time we conducted it on the stage, and a lot of families who walked in participated. Now, how does it work? On the 18th of October at 12 p.m., next Sunday, so the Sunday, 18th of October, we will have this quiz live at the expo. You just need to register in advance so that you block your seat. Remember, there are only very limited seats available for this. This is going to be an online quiz. The quiz masters are going to ask you questions about very simple topics. It is fun as it can get. And we just want to ensure that the family is enjoying it together. So bring in your entire family. As many people as you can accommodate into a laptop screen, we are open to have them. And the quizmaster asks the questions. The first to answer gets a point, and we will have multiple rounds. We will have a lot of fun. It is just 60 minutes. Prepare your lunch, keep it ready. 12 o'clock, hit the buzzer, and then enjoy the lunch after that. That's going to be a fun event, which I am looking forward to. Last time it was so much fun because I was part of
Really
the event
fun.
that happened there. We have actually done a couple of test rounds where Sandhya also participated and won some prizes there, as I know. So it is very simple. It is very interesting, and we are going to look forward to this quiz a lot. Same thing, register and ensure that you are registering at the earliest so that you block your seat there. Family quiz, online, fun. That's what we want to go about. The next one, which is for the first time we are conducting this. This is a new event for us also, and this is something that we always wanted to do, which was more of a talent show. Now, who can participate in it? Right from a just born to somebody who's 17 years old. So we are including everybody into that bucket. This works just like a just a minute contest. You have a talent that you can showcase, be it be singing, dancing, you have a magic trick to show us, you have a card trick to show us, you can play a ukulele, you can play a mandolin, you can play a violin. Doesn't matter what is your talent. You can do a somersault, that's also a talent. Doesn't matter what it is. As long as you can showcase that into a minute. Record that, send it to us, and then we will shortlist the best 10 or 15 depending on the numbers that we have on stage. We might have even more because we have time to showcase as many talent as possible. And on the day of the expo, we will ensure that you get a stage. And again, this is going live to the global audience. So don't miss this opportunity. If your child has some kind of a talent that you want to showcase, this is the right place to come and do it. And I can't even think about what talents that you can showcase. It can be anything. It doesn't matter what it is, as long as you can fit it into a video of 1 minute. Register right now because the registrations are going to close soon for this one also, because the judges need some time to kind of. Now, what is the biggest attraction? All these come with amazing, exciting prizes. We have still not announced it. Forget the certificates, forget the trophies that you're going to any which ways take away. But beyond that, there are going to be some exciting prizes that we are going to announce. And that's going to be the surprise that is going to keep on coming in. Don't miss out those prizes, because that's something that you really want to grab and walk. Now, the registrations are open for all these contests. Also, the visitor registrations are going to be open very soon. Shweta, you want to say, tell about that?
Yeah, so we will open the visitor registration soon. So you can register for the event on 16th, 17th, and 18th of October. And so, as you know, this is a virtual simulation of an actual expo. So we are very excited about the platform that we will be using. It's unlike anything I have ever used before, and I have attended a few expos of international careers and universities abroad. I have not seen anything like this. So you can register to be a visitor on the on 16, 17, and 18. And what is interesting is that this is a 24-hour expo, so you can check out stalls even later, and you can use multiple devices to log in. You can have your family look at schools as well, and of course look at various other stalls. So we don't just have schools, we also have various other education service providers that are displaying their stalls there. So it's an exciting event for sure. And once parent registrations open, we will keep you posted and get you to sign up immediately. So yeah.
Yes. And we have some amazing early bird offers also for parent registration, because this is a paid expo and we're going to have some outstanding early bird offers, which will be for a very short period of time. So ensure that you avail that early bird offer and register yourself, so that you can go through all these exhibitors. You can meet them, you can have a video chat with them, you can enter their panel discussions, you can enter the contest, you can have one-to-one with these schools who are participating. You can choose the best school for your child, which is available in Bangalore. Doesn't matter if you're in Bangalore, or doesn't matter if you're in Boston. It doesn't matter. Wherever you are, we have a venue for you, because this expo is going to run for 24 hours for the 3 days. Any point of time you want to come in, you can check it, and you can have multiple entries. Register once and you can come in as many times as you want. And that's going to be big this time. This moment, I want to thank our title partner, Chaman Bharatiya School, for coming back as a title sponsor, a title partner holder for this expo this time. So a big thanks to Alan and his team at Chaman Bharatiya for supporting us. Again, they were there in the last expo also, and you can see them in a 3D virtual stall this time. So that's going to be one interesting thing, because I don't think any expo has ever showcased a 3D virtual stall where you actually get a feel of walking through an expo. So this is going to be exciting, and I'm very excited to see how it is going to shape up. We have done everything possible to ensure that parents who are coming in have an amazing experience. Students have so many contests for themselves, and families are going to have a great time coming into the expo with us. So we look forward to seeing all of you on the 16th, 17th, and 18th of October at the virtual expo. But for that to happen, you need to register now. For the contest and for the entry, the registrations are getting open. All the contests, the registrations are open. Registrations have already started, so don't miss out there. But for the visitors, the parents who want to come in and look at the stalls, in some time, the registrations will open up and you will be able to register yourself, avail the early bird offer, and ensure that you're there, right? Shweta, Sandhya, anything from your side? I think you should
Just
give another invitation to all the
we're
all our
just
group
we're
members.
just excited. I'm just excited actually that we're going. Also, the registrations are opening in just a few minutes, I think. Almost
Yes.
done there.
We are almost
And
there for the
yeah,
registrations to open. Yes.
we are excited by all the events and the contests and the people who are partnering with us for the expo. So I'm looking forward to it.
Okay. So there we go. On behalf of Shweta Sharan and Sandhya Vishwan, this is Manoj Telakat signing off from the Bangalore Schools Expo. We will catch up with you very soon with another exciting announcements. Watch out for the space for more news. Thank you so much, and see you.
See you. Bye.
See you. Bye.